Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off repost button on Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So the repost button lets you repost your favorite reels and photos and see the posts of your friends are enjoying. Instagram has explained. To repost a photo or reel, all you have to do is click the two arrow underneath like this. Or in the post, you can repost in here. Now, what if you want to turn off the repost button on your post on Instagram so you don't want anyone can repost your posts or reels? It's very simple. First of all, you can go to your settings. So from your profile, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down. You can go to sharing and reuse. You can tap on that. And in here, by default, your repost and post and reels are active. Now, if you want to disable it, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now, when you see on your post or reels on Instagram, there's no more repost button in here. So when people see your reels or post, they cannot repost your uh, repost your reels or posts. It's very simple, right? And if you want to turn this on, you want to let people repost your reels, you can just enable this feature by tapping the toggle in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off repost button on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.